Every single minute, thousands of ice creams are born here. Take these, faster than you can finish one. This factory never sleeps known. Machines work non-stop to feed the world's biggest ice cream demand. Every minute, thousands of ice creams are created here. Faster, colder, and bigger than you ever imagined. It all starts with fresh milk, chilled, filtered, and prepared at perfect temperature. Massive mixers turn simple ingredients into a smooth, frozen base. This is where flavor is born. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, all injected with precision. In seconds, liquid turns into perfectly frozen ice cream. Machines fill hundreds of cones every single minute. Robots work faster than humans, without a single mistake. Each bar dives into a river of real chocolate. Every piece is checked before moving forward. Wrapping happens faster than your eyes can track. Perfectly packed, perfectly aligned, zero human touch. Stored at freezing temperatures to lock in freshness.
Millions are prepared for delivery across the world.
This factory never sleeps. Ixtavel, day or night. One factory, endless ice cream varieties. And this is the moment we all wait for.
This is how the world stays cool.
Milk, machines, speed, and perfection. ICAL, all in one place.
Comment your favorite flavor and watch how the next factory works.